Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great week, folks. Let's take a look at one of our four agreements. Always do your best. Surrender and let go of the past. Whatever life takes away from you, let it go. When you surrender and let go of the past, you allow yourself to be fully alive in the moment. Letting go of the past means that you can enjoy the dream that is happening right here, right now. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 89, NASDAQ off 66, S&P's down 17. Percentage-wise out here, folks, you had the S&P and Dow Industrials down 0.3%. NASDAQ Composite down 0.8%. Gold contract traded up $7.80 at $12.2980 an ounce. We had silver up 8 cents, $14.71 an ounce. We do want to see more traction inside the silver market. Gold has it going, has the wide price spread, has the volume behind the move. Bottom line, gold looks to me like that's April highs, a game. That's you're talking about the 1327, 1337 mark. Oil up 26 cents, $71.60 a barrel. Notes and bonds. You get the 10-year note, down 3 ticks, 118.07. 30-year bond down 9, trading at a price point of 138.14. And King Dollar down 161 ticks, 94.750. The euro is at 115.81 to 1 US dollar. The yen is trading out here at a price point of 111.77 to 1 US dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so if we go over to the SPY, we're looking at the SPY. Couldn't hold price out here. Bottom line is that you're down 146. This baby still looks like a bottom line. It wants to bounce, folks, okay? You know, we get down to the price point of 270. Couldn't hold price out here today, but now what you have is this. You're pushing lower. Huge contraction on volume. So Thursday, you did 274 million on the way down. Yesterday, you did 183 million. Today, you did all of 97 million. That is a decent setup for some kind of a bounce inside the marketplace. Qs, same type of setup inside the Qs. Qs couldn't hold price. You're down $2.11, 63 million shares. Well, you're going against 143 as well as 102. The IWM. Now, the IWM, I suspect what we're going to have when all said and done, folks, is that we're actually going to do a B to C of an ABC structure on the way down. That is going to go after this high volume low that has been laying out here since the February 9th, week of February 9th. The IWM, bottom line, goes up 57 cents. 32 million shares traded. Really a sideways day inside the IWM. All those indices, though, I expect each one of them want to get some kind of a dead cat bounce going. We had a great question earlier in the program to one of our targets in the den. Said, hey, man, you know, you've been up for 6 months. Why do you down for 6 days think you're going to be bounced? Which is a fact. There's no doubt about that. Bottom line, when you're doing expansion-contraction ratios inside the Fibonacci sequence, folks, they just like hitting them. That's what it comes down to. If the market goes down too fast, which we went, it is what it is. We go down fast. That's how markets like to go down. Then you get fast counter-trend bounces. You know, who knows what's going to basically get that going out here. If we go into the oil market, we take a look at oil. What we have with oil out here, oil traded right now up 0.4%. Now, oil is looking like it's an ABC structure on the way down. You know, we did 546,000 contracts out here today. Bottom line, that's light contract volume as we were coming into 784,000 contracts. You know, big numbers. What the Saudi government did come out with just about 20 minutes ago, they're saying that, all in all, it was like this guy that, unfortunately, they boggled a interrogation. That's what they're claiming. And that's how the reporter died. Bottom line is that they're going to burn someone for it. And doesn't look, if anything, folks, it looks like the oil market is doing an ABC structure on the way down versus on the way up. Gold contract. What do we have inside the gold contract? Gold contract wants higher price. Gold cleared the consolidation that it's been in out here since the August 13th area. You had volume behind the move once again out here today, 281,000 contracts. We did 500,000 contracts last Thursday. This baby is set up first off to run up into the price point of 1304. Looks like to me we're going to run at 1377. 1377 is the high from where we came down from in April. I mean, down in April, it was a fast and furious move on the way down. What we haven't had yet is this. We have not had the dollar index fall apart. Each and every time that it gets down into its lower level, which is at now, bottom line, you have a big contraction of volume. And that's what we had out here today, 13,000 contracts. Bottom line, in order to crack the 94 level, we're going to need about 28 to 35, anything over 28,000 contracts. That's what we're going to need as we're going into that level. As you come over to our website, folks, at TFNN, I'm going to be doing a webinar this coming Thursday night. You know, bottom line is that this metals market, folks, has been in a downtrend for quite some time. Since last April, that thing basically was a one-way on the way down. That being said, guess what? We're not only off the bottom, we're off the bottom, and the week prior to last week, that's where we had some of the largest short positions in the market. It's all lined up that gold wants higher price. Has got higher price, come off the lows with strength. That being said, I'm going to be doing a workshop this coming Thursday night. For my subscribers to the Gold Report, you can be a subscriber right here, right now. Comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. The way you do that, you come over to our website at TFNN, go into featured content. You're going to see the Gold Report right there. You hit that, you can subscribe either a month, 6 months, a year. All come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be going right back to the beginning of the gold market run, meaning 2001. I'm going to start there. The title is The Gold Market from the Beginning of the Bull to in 2001 to now. I'm going to be talking about what you want to be looking at inside the gold market. What moves the metal price, number one, what moves the ETFs, how the yen and the dollar can move gold, and then what gold and silver equities have the best chance to getting to higher price in this current environment. So if you'd like to come to that workshop, come over to our website at TFNN, subscribe, whether it's a month, 6 months, a year. Be a nice workshop, great workshop. Gold's on the run, folks. Check it out. Come right back.